how to open Starling Bank business account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can open up a Starling Bank business account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, you want to open business, not personal account. Well, the process is pretty much the same thing. Go to starlingbank.com and then you're gonna see this type of interface where you have to just tap the apply now option here. As and when you tap the apply now option, this is the very first step that you should be careful because you have three options here: personal, business, and a sole trader account. Since we are trying to create a business account, we will select the business account option and then just tap the continue button here. Now of course we are a new customer, so just tap on the new customer option and then just tap the continue option. Over here, first of all, make sure to enter your first name in this case, and then your business name, make sure to enter your business name as well, and then just tap the continue option. It will ask you to simply enter your phone number. Now if you don't have a UK phone number, then of course you will not be able to create your bank account. So once you enter your phone number, just tap on start your application here, and once done, you should be able to fill in all of the legal details about you as well as your business, and then your business account on Starling Bank will get successfully created. This way you can begin opening the Starling Bank business account here. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.